Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the greatest show on planet Earth. You've all entered the Ringmaster's lair, where the only way out is here. I bring to you a band of freelos that we captured not too far from here, who plan to not only be able to impress the Ringmaster, but to be the best performers ever. People of the world, I give to you tonight's entertainment. The only way that they will ever be free is to win over the crowd and the Ringmaster here tonight. Entertainment. Oh, God.
So long, it's like I gotta blow. Baby mama calling up my phone. What the fuck you want? You sound on nobody's shit. Stop asking. Haters get off of my dick. Stop cagging. They know I'm schooling them. They tell me stop classing. We already know that you the shit. Stop asking. Yeah. And my flow is fucking sick, bro. Make a bitch call from a sick ball. Hard till I sit, bro. No fucking with kids, bro. I'm the rapper, so I'm golden with the fridge. Then I think I live, bro. No mental is sick, bro. I like a motherfucking